Good morning, friends. Actually, whenever a person is convicted, normally he has to go to jail and he has to undergo simple imprisonment and rigorous imprisonment also. And the punishment, previously it was based on retributive theory, and now the theory is a reformative theory. So while by going to the jail, they have to be reformed and come out into the mainstream of the society, just like ordinary citizens. That is the very purpose of keeping a person in jail. Right? Suppose if he has to be kept on bail, what to do? Definitely there are certain occasions where the cases will not be decided. During the pendency of the case, how to control them? By giving bail. So this is the reformative theory should be applied as the Supreme Court also has identified the rights or human rights of the accused persons. Now, today the point for discussion is whether the court can direct the accused to do community service or to do meditative drill and things like that while releasing them on bail during the pendency of the appeal. Here I want to tell you that in simple cases like the case of rash or negligent driving or drunken driving, at these times as a reformative theory, the local magistrate asks the accused to go and perform the traffic duty for a week or so, or the accused will be directed to go and assist the traffic police as volunteers for a week, or plantation work. They have to look after the plantation work on the highway. Like that, they are also giving directions. But this is what is called the reformative theory. So it has started from the Supreme Court itself. So in the famous case of 1978, Babu Singh and others versus State of UP, 1978. Right. Coming to the present case. So you definitely might have heard the Godhra incident. The Kark Seviks coming from Ayodhya, they were literally murdered, and as a consequence the Muslims, they have been massacred or genocide thing like happened. Godhra incident you all know, which happened on 28th February 2002 I believe. Right, in that case you may be knowing very recently so many persons, 38 persons have been convicted. Out of them 14 they have applied for appeal. They have gone in appeal, and now they have asked for the interim bail. So that is an interim bail pending the final appeal, pending the decision of the appeal. So this is the background of the case. These persons are the convicted. He is Prahalad Bhai Jagabhai Patel versus State of Gujarat. This case can be read like this: Prahalad Bhai Jagabhai Patel versus State of Gujarat. So this judgment actually was delivered in Criminal Appeal number 196 by 2018 on 28/1/2020. This is actually a bail order pending the appeal. So taking cue from the so-called Babu Singh case, the Supreme Court held by Chief Justice of India Sharad Bobde, Gawai and Honorable Suryakant, they held that the accused can perform the community service, but they have to be shifted to other states. Like Madhya Pradesh, they have to stay in Indore. Some people should stay in Jabalpur. Like that, they have given directions. So previously, because these people were arrested in 2002, so many years have gone, and every year the accused have been coming out on parole, furlough and temporary bail, seeking conditions that his son is to be getting married, he has to perform the obsequies of his mother, all these things, every year they are happening. But this year, since they have filed the appeal, they are convicted, now they have filed the appeal. During the pendency of the appeal, the Supreme Court ordered these people to engage in any spiritual program or to do some community service, because they are not basically murderers. Of course, in a rage of in a fit of anger, since the Karseviks they have been murdered by the Muslims, they have attacked the Muslims, and now they are suffering the punishment. Basically, they are not hardcore criminals, right? Therefore, these are the words of the Supreme Court. Punitive harshness should be minimized. Punitive, that is punishment theory. The harshness should be minimized, and restorative or reformative defenses like community service, meditative drill should be innovated, should be encouraged. So that harshness should be minimized, and the reformative diseases like meditative drill and the community service, all these things, they have to be encouraged. This is a reformative theory. Therefore, the appellants are directed to engage in any spiritual program or to do some community service pending appeal. So, this should be done 6 hours in a week. 6 hours. They have to be shifted to Jabalpur and Indore, and in Indore, they have to appear before the SHO Palasia PS on every first day of every month till the appeal is disposed, and they should not enter Gujarat till the final decision is given, right? And who will look over or who will monitor their work? It has been entrusted to Legal Service Authority. Legal Service Authority of Madhya Pradesh. They will look into whether these people are engaged in any spiritual activity, whether these people are engaged in any community service. These things should be looked over by Legal Service Authority, and they have to give a certificate that these people attended on so date and performed the so-called meditative drill, right? So why all these things? Because the accused Patel, Prahlad Bhai Patel, he is aged about 65 years, and he has spent 7 years of jail term so far. Of course, the fact is every year he is coming out on some ground other, maybe parole. Parole means it is actually once in a year they will give maybe due to some reason, if you are able to express the real reason or reasonable problem, definitely you can go on parole for a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks. Then furlough. Furlough is a right. Suppose if you behave in a good manner in the jail, 1 month, per 1 month, there will be 1 day furlough. It's a matter of right. So after 6 or 7 years, 1 week furlough you can take. In the meanwhile, they can get interim bails also, like marriages or performing ceremonies, all these things. And now they have taken another advantage. Whether it is advantageous or not is a difficult thing. But our point is, yes, the court can ask the accused persons to undertake the spiritual programs, to undertake the communal programs, to undertake the social service programs. For this, I want to tell you this case law. So please remember, the court not only can give punishment, at the same time they can ask you to do some social service. We have been saying in these hit and that is drunk and drive cases also. So very definitely even the Supreme Court held it to be a reformative theory. It's a possible reformative theory. Therefore, friends, if such things comes normally, don't be under impression that it is the duty of the court is only to give punishment, not to allow them to do such things. Yes, it is a part of the reformative theory. Please, you have to accept. Yes, because since the CJI, not less than the CJI, has declared this order, and previously during the year 1978 itself, the case of Babu Singh versus State of UP is there. We have to accept and please learn. So of course, the appellants are directed not to visit Gujarat till the appeal period is over. Very good. Thank you very much.